Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create an animated social media on Canva by iOS or iPhone. So here I already have the Canva open, and the next thing we have to do is just click this plus button over here, and after that you just need to type in animated social media on the search button, and there will be appear a animated social media, so you just need to click it to go into the canvas. And now you already have the canvas, and the Canva will be like automatically give you a suggestion for the template, so you can like choose which template that you want to have for the reference, but make sure you create your own and use your creativity to create your animated social media. But we just need to like take a look how people do their animated. If you already have the idea, you just need to create the new one by like slide the canvas into the left side, and you can like start the new one by adding the picture. Just go add which picture that you want to have. For example, I want to do it this, and I want to make this picture is fulfilling all the canvas like that. And after that you just need to create or add a typewriting to give an informations over this picture. Just go click the plus button, and after that just go with the text, go with the add a heading. You just need to do or type the information. And after you finish, just adjusting the font, adjusting the positions, and after that you can just need to add more information over here. For example, the opening hour. Since it's too big, you can like adjusting the font size, make it like smaller. Put a different color so that the color will be like give you another informations or another segment. And after that you just need to go with the animate right there, and you just need to click which animation that you want to apply. And after you're done, just click X, put the another typewriting, go with the animation, just looking for which animation that you want to have to right there. And after you're done, just click X. And after you already done for everything, you just need to click it and go delete, so that there will be appear only for your creations, your own social media animated. And after you finish, just need to click this side to save and click download. Just need to follow the instruction, hold on, wait until it's 100% saved into your device. That's all the way how you create a animated social media on a Canva. If you find that this video is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.